Feeling overwhelmed? Anxious thoughts racing in your mind? You're not alone. In our fast-paced world, mental wellness is often the first thing we sacrifice. But what if I told you just 10 minutes a day could change everything? Let me introduce you to mindful movement, the powerful combination of yoga and meditation. Yoga moves the body. Meditation stills the mind. Together, they create a flow that calms your nervous system, reduces stress hormones like cortisol, and brings your thoughts into the present moment. Most people try to treat anxiety or stress by distracting themselves, scrolling endlessly, watching, or even overworking. But these are temporary fixes. The real solution lies in reconnecting with your body and breath, because the mind follows where the body leads. Start with simple yoga stretches, child's pose, cat-cow, or seated twists. As you move, stay fully present. Then shift into a few minutes of stillness. Focus on your breath. Inhale peace, exhale tension. That's mindful movement, grounding you mentally while nourishing you physically. The best part? You don't need fancy gear, a studio, or even an hour of time. Just a quiet space, your body, and a little intention. This daily ritual builds resilience, not just for stress, but for life. So if your mind feels heavy, if the world feels too loud, pause, move with awareness, breathe with purpose, because healing begins with stillness and peace. It begins with you. Try mindful movement today and feel the shift within.